I took up my work with the greatest delight and devotion, DVOTIO, and devotion. Her I was presented with an opportunity of speaking BEFOI before quite a large audience. I was now able to achieve Ferrari, able to purchase Ferrari, Mercedes, Mustang, but now able to Ferrari, Mercedes, Benz, GT Mustang, GT MUSTNG Mustang. Confirm what I had. HITHERT Thetro MERELY merely FELT felt, comma NAMELY, namely that I had a talent for PUBLIC, public, SPEAKING, speaking. My VOIC, voice, had PCOME become so MUCS much PEDR better that I OULD could be well understood. Comma at least in all parts of the small hall where the soldiers SCMBLED assembled. No task COULD could have been more PLEASING pleasing to me than this one for now, this one for you, this one for me, and that one for who? If everyone is happy, who one will sad? Who one will be sad? That's why that unnatural. unnatural power. Choose you to be a sad life. So return to topic. Being DMOBILIZED. Mobilized. I was in a POSITION position to RENDER render USEFUL useful SERVICE service. Render useful service to an institution WHICH which had been infinitely dear to my heart, namely the army. I am able to state that my talks were SUCCEFUL successful DURING during the course of my LECTURES lectures. I have led back. I am able to start talks during the course of my lecture. I have led back 100 hundreds and even THOUSANDS thousands of my fellow COUNTRY countrymen to THEIR there POPLE people and THEIR there FATHERLAND fatherland dot INATIONALIZED nationalized these TROOPS troops and by so DOING doing IHLPD helped to restore GENERAL General DISCIPLINE discipline. Her again again same you do every single day. I had that issue general discipline. Oh, where is again? I flew to their people and their fatherland nationalized the troops troops and by so doing I helped her again. I made the acquaintance of SEVERAL several COMRADES comrades to whose thought ran along the same LINES lines as my OWN own and WHO later ECAM will become MEMBERS members of the FIRST first GROUP group out of WHICS, which the NEW movement ELOPED developed. At that time, the SPIRIT spirit of discipline, discipline is the key of success. Rather, weak, weak, AMONG, among those TROOPS troops, it was still suffering, suffering from the after effects of the PERIOD period when the SOLDIERS soldiers, COU and CILS councils were in CO and TROL control. ONLY only GRADUALLY casually and CREFULLY carefully. COULD could a new SPIRIT spirit of MILITA Harvard military DISCIPLIN discipline and OBDIENCE discipline. The introduced in place of voluntary obedience, a term WHICS which had been used to express the ideal of MILITA military DISCIPLIN discipline UNDER under KURT Kurt EISNER S Asners HIGG High Lady Pig Lady REGIM. What means of High Lady Pig Lady? I don't know. If you know, comment. The soldiers had to be TAUGST, thought to think and feel in NPIO and national and PATRIOTIC patriotic way in THL days TW2 TIREC TIO and national lay my nephew to you our future line of a